Hey, hi. So in this video, I'll just show you how we can search for our property tax. Alright, this is the website CDMA. So click on online payments, property tax. So you would not be knowing your PT number, right? So initially, let's search click on this search your property tax, and then district would be Sangareddy, Aminpur municipality. Just type the owner name. So randomly I'll type Kumar and click on search. Okay, so still loading. All right, so I'll just take something like, if you type your name properly, you'll just only get one name, and then you will have to click on the details. So you'll copy your PT number and then go back, property tax payment. You can search it over here, right? So this is someone else who has already cleared it. If it's not cleared, it will show you the amount, and you'll just give your mobile number and email ID and then go ahead and do the payment. So this is how you will search your property tax. Okay, and in case your mobile number is not updated, you'll click on this other services, citizen mobile number updation, select property tax, give the PT number or assessment number, both are same, and click on search. So there is no existing mobile number, it will be 0. Click on edit, enter your new mobile number, and then update. You'll get an OTP, and just click on save after entering the OTP. All right.